Minta ke sengi balang ke khasan tarik yayong u konrad kangkal sangma menteri rangba ke jilla ulahyar shan Nongstoin C&RD Block ban Plie ke office batmai. Ha ketika sengi hadian balada ban Plie o mau nongrim jong ke block office lapenlong ya ke jingelang ha ke bala panyai da uba Lyngba block development officer harangkat ke jingedan lang jong uba Gabriel walang MLA ke thain lemban ke Himanaya IAS Deputy Commissioner ke West Khasi Hills ke officer jong parok kita terekam kinotre jong ke blank ban kiriu rangba. Hakati ke sengi layo ya ke jingkren na ubak Gabriel walang ubalong usembut kongsan bat khaddu layo ke jingkren na menteri rangba ke jilla ukonrad kongkal sangma ubalong ukongsan.
And self-reliance.
Kamu aneh.
Todolog ki bosiar abang ipet ki social media ki jongi jaga jingtmu ko ha jo sorkar teng lasu pendamnya no dakinia kamkai dakinia ki bom shongnya te hai hagaja ba gin ai de jingero lara kila yo ite ki suwa niyo ki project kapo ka Nongstoin hato gin songo ning ngin deng kila ning ngin ong ka surak ka masniu kata ka masniu kane ka pagbian kapai ka pagbian tong niya hun semua ya ke bagilapan yo la kindiat in sapoy sa thong jo bijiyo ko batang haray la dang ila sedang no berketok katur babda katai bunta sakane ila kwa sakatai kita kwa kamdei ta Nongstoin konsensi man kabalaban yo ita ki jiyo kamdei ta West Khasi agrai kare ke jelahi para kawai kajai pangriyo jungi ngaram kamman kiyo.
When many blocks were functioning from rented buildings, many blocks were functioning from a single room or maybe two rooms at the most, that today after spending close to 200 crores, all the old 46 blocks of the state before we sanctioned or created new blocks, all of them have been given a new building. Most are complete. Some of them are on the verge of completion. The new 10 blocks also, new buildings have been sanctioned. And I expect that within the next couple of years, those blocks also will be complete. Friends, I must though mention that this building will remain a building. It is the people who are working in it who will make this a block office. I urge our BDO, I urge every single staff, from the chokidar to the peon, to the accountant, to everybody. Don't think that your job is small or big. You have a responsibility. In fact, all of us have a responsibility. But in terms of this block, I can only urge the staff who's working here. Just one word that I would like to leave behind, and that is kindness. Please be kind to the poor people. That is 50% of the work done. Even if you're having a bad day, there is no reason that the poor person coming from the village who doesn't know anything needs to suffer or needs to bear the brunt of what you may be going through at that point in time. Because if we are able to be kind to the people who come here, I would say that 50% of our work or responsibility is, or goal is achieved.